So what's up everybody, Jake Snake New here. This video will not be edited, but I'll be tasting Halloween candy, or candy, that you can get that I never tried in a while. You probably know it. First, we're going to go with these mini Halloween mini cheese balls. Hang on, I'm watching the video. Gotta back forward it a little bit. Okay, here we go. Mini cheese balls coming up. Oh, okay, that's what they kind of look like right there, like a little cheese ball. Not bad. I'll rate it delicious. That's really good. Yummy. Sorry. Okay. Next will be, I'll cut it short. Okay. I'll be trying this little ball. It's Jawbusters. Jawbusters? Jawbusters, okay. Let's insert through this. Let's pop it out like a, kind of like pop it. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Is this gonna be just a minute of me trying to get something out? I really don't want that to be like that. Okay. Oh! I threw it on the ground. I have another one, so I'll be back. Okay. Okay, I'm back again with a different flavor. This is the orange flavor. I'll rate that really good, delicious, nice, awesome, tasty. Okay, cut the rest. The rest of the candies I'll be trying. Some fun dip, Sour Patch Kids, these two little chocolate bars, some Smarties. I'm back. Now, first off, we're gonna try these two chocolate. They're called Chakir. I don't freaking know. Anyway, the blue one, milk chocolate flavor. The red one is dark chocolate flavor. We're gonna go with red first. Very easy to open. Reminds me of, looks like a, kind of like a, I don't know, it's really hard to get open. Okay, here we go, got it open, alright. Okay, here we go. If I can get it open. Feels like it's been in the fridge, I can't even bite it in. It also feels like it's melted at the same time. Not that bad. 9 point. I would definitely rate that like a 9.4 out of 10, 9.3 out of 10. I rate that really good. Oops, it fell out. Oh, dang. I think I'm gonna like wash my mouth out. Now on the milk chocolate flavor now. This looks the same, just a little lighter. Yes. I think I broke a tooth. No. I get like a 8.1. 7.8 to 8.2. It's a little worse, but still pretty good. Okay. Is Smarties. I've never tried these in a long time. Oh. My sister making noises. Okay. I'm afraid to try these. It's like a pill. Oh. Not that good. Never get like a a 7.3. It's not like, it's kind of good. A half like an average, a little over average. So yeah, that's that. Now we're on to sweet tarts, skulls, and bones. Okay, I'm afraid. Are you guys still recording? Yes. Oh, dang. This is gonna be tough. So, this is what it looks like. Ugh. It's like not an openable. It's like you can't open it. What's that? Oh, dang. It's like it's kind of like a puffed up. Hang on, I have to do the video again. It's like a puffed up, and soured version of a Smarties, but like a little more flavor. And it's sour and it's puffed up. Yeah, it's a definitely extra flavor and extra sour. I don't like that. I give it a 3.5 out of 10. On to my last one, Sour Patch Kids. Oh, dang. I don't want to try these now. It's been good, actually. Yeah, my taste test has been going good so far. Oh, dang. It looks like a soured version. Oh, God, it's soured. It's a sour. Oh, shoot. I guess I'll go with yellow. I like it. It's like that one warhead I ate today at school. It's just a tiny bit worse. Just a little tiny bit. Still really sour. Not good. I don't like that. The flavor... When you bite in the flavor, it's really good. The sour, I rate it a 1.5 out of 10. When you bite into the kind of the lemon, good. And for the lemon flavor, we get 7.5 out of 10. Ew. Well, anyways, that was the Halloween candy challenge. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video down below. Bye, subscribers.